Hey, welcome to my Sunspace winter update. Here we are. It's minus 26 on my north facing thermometer. This one says, can you see that? You can see that, minus 19. And in here, let's go up here, plus 2. So the sun just beats in here. See right here I put some styrofoam tape to seal that. Underneath here under my floor joists I put 2 inches of styrofoam and then cap the ends in case you ever need to get something. You can just take the ends out. I just taped up the ends, I didn't seal them. And then up here I put 4 inches of styrofoam. Just set it in. I'll slip in a picture of that. Look, it's 20 degrees warmer in here than outside. So my windows are 20 degrees warmer than they would be normally. It's typically warmer in here on a sunny day, of course. A cloudy day it's still warmer because of the heat loss through your windows. But man, I think I'm saving money like crazy, and we've extended our living space here by month. We sat out here in April. We sat out here at Christmas Day. It was 25 degrees in here. And behind these canvases I put styrofoam and screens, so in the summer I just pop those out. And I'm not worried about it getting too hot because when I put the styrofoam in, I made provisions to put up a ceiling fan, and also I have that tarp here that I can pull across in summer, and the angle of the sun will be higher. So man, this has been a great thing, the Sunspace area. Should have done it 20 years ago. Alright, that's a winter update on this frosty day in Manitoba. Schools are all closed. This morning was minus 33. And you can see, you can probably hear the wind. You know, so it's windy and it's cold. School was cancelled. Wind chill was minus 47 this morning. And it's not much better now. And here I am on my deck, Sunspace deck. And it's plus 2. Yeah, I don't get any money for this, but if you like what you're seeing, subscribe, hit the like button, and we'll keep putting out interesting videos. Later.